Hello guys, if you need to save the table from Google Sheets or some information from Google Sheets to a PNG file, the way how you can do it is to choose the area you want to save, select File, Download, PDF, choose Export selected cells, choose the margins to 0, the paper size A4 is quite enough, then click Export. We have the file here. Then we need to go to the website cloudconverter.com, choose Convert PDF to PNG, select the file we downloaded, open it. If you want to have an alpha channel, just in settings here, choose the point yes. Pixel density is 300 is quite enough. Then press OK, convert, and here is the file we got. Just download it and use. Quite good quality. So that's it. Thank you.